Hello dolls, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to jump right into this tutorial. I'm showing you how I achieve my double buns. Super quick, super easy, super simple. I'm starting off with a rat tail comb, just parting my hair down the middle. I love using rat tail combs because it gives me more precision and makes my part so clean. Can we take a moment for the middle part? I mean, it's not perfect, but you guys know what I went through with alopecia, and I'm very proud of my middle part now. So let's continue this video. So now that we've sectioned the side off, I'm going to spray my hair with some water. That's just going to add that moisture to my hair. And once I moisturize my hair, I'm just going to use some Main Choice Cuticle Control leave-in lotion as my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use that to not only moisturize my hair but to lightly detangle that section. I'm so sad. My Moisture Love Sealed with the Kiss oil is almost gone. That's like my favorite oil for moisture to seal in products. It's just amazing. So I'm using that all over my scalp, and I'm just going to give myself a quick scalp massage. I love using this oil for scalp massages. It's so rich and just, oh, I love it. And not only am I going to use that for a scalp massage, but I'm also going to apply that throughout my hair and focus that on my ends. So once we moisturized and sealed in our hair with that oil, I'm just going to slick my hair down with my boar bristled brush. And right after that, I'm going to use my EcoStyler Flaxseed Oil Gel. So once we've completed that side, we're going to move over to the other side, and I'm going to do the same exact steps. So I'm going to spray my hair with water. I'm going to moisturize my hair with the Main Choice Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. And then I'm going to seal my hair with the Sealed with the Kiss oil from Moisture Love. Also using my EcoStyler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel, and I'm going to slick it up in a ponytail using my boar bristled brush. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just fold my hair under, and once I have my ends tucked under, I'm just going to bobby pin those ends down. That's pretty much all I'm doing. It's probably the easiest style you'll ever do, and it's so dope and it's so unique, and I love it. I love the texture that the curls have against the hair being pinned back in a bun. I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Your hair is slicked down, you tuck your ends under, and you bobby pin them down, and then I'm just molding my hair how I want it, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy, right? So once I've done that, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more of that gel along my edges, and I'm just slicking my edges back. This is completely optional, you guys. You do not have to do this. However, I like my edges to be laid. I like my edges to be slick, so that's what I'm gonna do. Here's a quick shot of the back. The ends are tucked under, everything is pinned down, and the hair is fluffy and popping. If you dolls have any other requests, feel free to leave them down below. I have so many other videos planned, and one being this makeup tutorial. You all have requested makeup so much on my channel that I have no choice but to come through for you all. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and until next time, I'll see you gorgeous. Bye.